2018 Dodge Ram HEMI 5.7 liter. What we did on it is a muffler delete. Still got the stock caliber converters here and there. Then it comes into a factory Y pipe, 3-inch system, 3-inch intermediate pipe. We put a 3-inch pipe, and then a 2.5-inch, 3-inch to 2.5-inch Y pipe into the stock muffler tailpipes on each side. One here and one here. There it is right there. We will let you guys hear it in a minute. Hope you guys like it. And that's the massive muffler that came off of it right there.
Here inside the cab of this Ram truck, we just did a muffler delete on it. I want you guys to hear from the inside. Oh, it sounds beautiful.
Okay. Still here.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream